It's not like perfect, more like effortless, subconscious. It's like,
oh, my hair feels so good. Yay. Take you down a little bit so you get the full effect. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, it's time for wash day. I'm gonna take my hair out really quick. I look crazy, right? I know. So it's been 3 weeks, if not going on 4 weeks. It hasn't been more than a month, but it's been, I think we're going on 3 weeks now since I did the treatment, the Design Essentials STS Smoothing Amino Acid treatment. I have not washed my hair since then. The only part that I washed was this very front row right here that you could see. I literally just shampooed it really quick just to do a style for this past week. So this has been my hair, how it's held up. It definitely has rained since I've had that treatment. It rained for like the first, I want to say like week and a half, almost 2 weeks that I had the treatment here in Florida. Especially with the hurricane that just came through, Hurricane Melissa. Yeah, it rained for like a really long time. But yeah, this is my hair. It did not revert whatsoever. Even with me working out and going to the gym, or like when I would take a if you hear that in the background, it's Zoe. And this dog does this every single time I start to talk. She does it at work when I'm doing meetings, and I literally, like, I'll be quiet the whole meeting. As soon as I get on the mic to talk in a meeting, that's her in the background. Girl, not you being up. But I wanted to come back for my very first wash day to show you guys how my hair reverts, how it behaves once water touches it again. I'm gonna be shampooing with these two right here. So first I'm gonna go in with the Design Essentials, the peppermint and aloe. It's like an anti-itch smoothing. Honestly, this is really just gonna get most of the gunk like out of my hair and to help with the scalp soothing process. I probably won't buy this shampoo again, to be honest, because I don't need 3 shampoos in my process. I really only need 1 for scalp care. So yeah, we're just gonna basically use that up until it's done. And then when I can really get in there, I'm using the CeraVe, however you pronounce it, anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo. I'm gonna go in really good with this. And then for my very last shampoo, just to kind of bring the pH and moisture back in, I'm gonna go in with the Design Essentials Honey Cream shampoo. I really do love this shampoo. This is gonna be my main shampoo basically, and then I will always have something for my scalp to keep my seborrheic dermatitis at bay, because it's literally something that came in my 30s. Like, I never had this issue before, but in my 30s my scalp want to be like inflamed and all that, which is insane. I got little air muffins, which is basically a shower cap for my ears, because I tend to drown my ears when I'm washing my hair. But yeah, I didn't really do too much for my hair. I wore clip-ins for I think like 1 or 2 weeks, the very first like couple weeks that I had it, and then after that I went like straight into like a loose low bun. And then this past week I did like a flip over wig look.
dream of a better life, 'cause sometimes I don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm surrounded by your lies, so I just wanna be close to you. Yeah, I dream of a better life, 'cause sometimes I don't know what to do. I'm surrounded by your lies, I just wanna be close to you. I was so lost, but you saw the light in me. I don't know what to do, but the mistakes I made, let you do it with me. wild and free in pure love, sweet harmony. When you're far away, I miss your touch every day. When I'm close to you, fulfillment comes my way. When they bring me down, I don't care what they say. Your presence wakes me up, so I hope you stay. I dream of a better life, 'cause sometimes I don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm surrounded by your lies, so I just wanna be close to you. Yeah, I dream of a better life, 'cause sometimes I don't know what to do. I'm surrounded by your lies, I just wanna be close to you. I dream of a better life, 'cause sometimes I don't know what to do. Hey, I'm surrounded by your lies, I just wanna be close to you. Hey, I dream of a better life, 'cause sometimes I don't know what to do. I'm surrounded by your lies, I just wanna be close to you. Hey.
So first wash after a few weeks of having, okay, so this is my texture after, and this is a freshly shampooed hair, and this is how my hair naturally is. The back has a lot tighter than the front. As you can see, it's all natural. All natural. Even my middle area, which this section, like the whole crown, like all the way in the front, does not grow like in a curly, it grows in waves. So this part is naturally just looser regardless. But you can see this is all texture. And this will be the first to like get heat damage or just like straighten out, because it doesn't have a lot of curls to begin with. It just has the texture and it goes in waves. But this is the hair. This is this side. Same thing. Full curls. And then you have my middle, the looser texture. You can see the very ends are loose, but you can see the wave still trying to hold on, even down here. All right, so now where's all my clips? Oh, right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my deep conditioner. So I just wanna make sure my hair is really moisturized in it, so I can go that long. Even though I may not be going that long anyways. But again, we're trying to grow our hair back and be healthy. So I just want to make sure my hair is always more than prepared when I'm about to do a style. And this is the Rosemary and Mint Design Essentials Deep Conditioner. This is another product I will not repurchase. I like the almond butter deep conditioner better. I originally got this one to put like on my roots to help like soothe my scalp and stuff, but it's just not needed. It's kind of like that with the other shampoo. It's just not needed. So yeah, so the almond butter one I really like. I think I'm going to start experimenting more with deep conditioners, but still stay like in the professional salon quality brand. I really have no desires to really do like drugstore products anymore. Once I put my deep conditioner in my hair and I let it sit, I typically like to jump in the shower. So right here, I'm just like, as I'm applying it, I just kind of finger detangle a little bit wherever I feel like I may have made some knots. just work the conditioner in. But once I get in the shower, I put like a little bit of water on this section, get it slippery, and then I just take my wide tooth comb and then I just detangle. Okay. All right, y'all, so we're back. I'm out the shower, did my skincare, all of that. We feel refreshed, we feel revived. So my hair has been drying in this microfiber towel. So this is what we're working with. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my leave-ins. I am doing K-tip extensions, so I don't want to put too much in my hair. I ended up actually leaving. Oh no, is this? The cheat iron guard is not working. So I am gonna end up using. I'm going to use the Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk leave-in. So this is a leave-in conditioner and it's also a heat protectant as well. Okay, so I'm going to also go in with the Biosilk Silk Therapy for the blow dry, and then also this just helps. Not that I really need help detangling, but it helps detangle because it makes your hair smoother, and I just feels like it also makes the blow drying process comes out smoother and silkier. And I'm going to twist this up. I'm going to twist both sections up, and this is going to help keep my hair stretched while it air dries a little bit while I'm doing the rest of my hair. So to blow dry my hair, I do use this blow dryer on the low setting because the hot is very hot. Blow your sockets hot. My hair doesn't need all that. So I do it on the low setting, which to me is like a high on a normal blow dryer setting. And when I first go through, I don't go through to actually brush through my hair, but to dry it while I hold my hair and stretch it. So I'm stretching my hair, I'm holding it taut, and then I actually use the brush to kind of just glide through to pass the heat to dry the hair. Once the hair is about 80 to 90% dry that way, that's when I will actually go in and actually blow dry my hair and stretch it like you would with the actual round brush to straighten it. And to me, it's just less damaging. It's less pulling on my hair. I get my hair dry, and then I only have to rake through my hair at the very end to straighten it, which to me has given me really good results. So this is my hair all blow dried. This is what it's looking like. And I probably put a little bit too much product on one of the sides, but nonetheless, it's okay. So we are gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair. So one last thing, I'm gonna go in with the Hot Toddy heat protectant mist, and this is formulated to use on dry hair. So yeah. And then I love this chaser comb. This one is from Numi, which is the same place my flat iron is from, but I'm sure they have dupes like on Amazon, so I could definitely link a dupe. So I'm gonna touch my roots a couple times and then do a pass. And yeah, I definitely only need one pass. So yeah, so depending on how thick the section is, I might do 2 passes, but if it's not, just gonna hit the root a couple times and then again do one intentional slow pass through, and we good to go. Alrighty, so my camera's about to die. I'm going to let my battery charge and flat iron my hair, and then I'm gonna come back to just show you guys the final results of what I get with my wash days. And then just to tell you a little bit more on like what to expect going forward. So you saw my hair texture and basically how all my hair texture and curls are still there after the first wash. The more you wash your hair, the more this treatment comes out. I want to say it's like your texture is going to come back even more, but you clearly saw my texture is there, but the frizz is what's going to start coming back. You'll start to see your hair puffing up easier as time goes on and you're washing your hair. I do think, as with anything with this treatment, the more you get it, basically, and if you're like always wearing your hair straight with this, I think your hair eventually is going to get trained, and then you will need the treatment like less and less. It's getting the smooth. I definitely put too much of the Biosilk on this side. I could tell, but whatever. Once I wrap it for the night and like the hair basically absorbs the product, it'll be good tomorrow. I wanted to start my K-tips tonight, but it's already 7:30, so I think I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. So let me go ahead and finish flat ironing my hair, and then I'll probably just show you guys the end result maybe when I'm done. If not, then definitely tomorrow before I start my K-tips. So see y'all in a little bit. Bye. Oh, I forgot I was supposed to charge my camera. I didn't. Let's unwrap this really quick. Right. Oh, my hair feels so good. Yay. Right, I gotta take you down a little bit so you get the full effect. Oh my gosh. My hair definitely wasn't like this the very first time I did this. Yeah, I did my thing with this one, with this treatment. And if you watched my application, you can see how when you first get your application, it definitely takes the life out of your hair, kind of. But I know I have like a black top on right now, but just looks really good. Looks really good. I'm not gonna put anything on my edges. I'm literally going to my fashion show right now. I'm gonna do my K-tips tomorrow. I'm gonna tell them please do not put a lot of product in my hair. Definitely no wet products, minimal hairspray, but this is the result, you all. It looks so good. It looks so good. So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm so excited for my K-tips that I'm doing, but all right, so I'm about to rush out because I'm literally so late for my model call. But I already did like my base foundation, so they just gotta like style my hair and do my eyes if anything, so I made up for it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this wash day. Hopefully you got all the information you needed if you're thinking about doing the smoothing treatment. This is definitely my go-to, hands down. We're not going back. It's up and it's stuck from here. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye, loves.